Savannah, Georgia is an international destination that is known for its beautiful architecture, history, and food scene. We recently visited Savannah in February and stayed at the Holiday Inn Express Historic District Hotel. The location was fantastic. It was close to restaurants, downtown attractions, and was a block away from the historic riverfront. Check-in was seamless. Our first night we stayed in a lovely, recently renovated 2-bedroom room with a view of the river, but we could hear a bit of traffic noise. The next 3 nights we were upgraded to an interior king bedroom, which was super quiet. The beds were very comfortable and the bedding was silky and luxurious. We were pleased to have a mini refrigerator and a Keurig coffee bar in our room. The bathroom had a tiled walk-in shower and a spacious counter space. We really enjoyed the free hot southern breakfast that was provided each morning. The signature cinnamon rolls were delicious, as were the biscuits and gravy. Concierge services were available daily. During our stay, we were impressed by the helpful and friendly hotel staff and how clean all the areas of the hotel were. A lovely rooftop pool, hot tub, and a chic cabana provided a spectacular view of the city, especially at night. Rooms generally run about $200 to $235 per night. Parking is available and starts at $45 per night. Our final thoughts? The Holiday Inn Express in the Savannah Historic District had an amazing location. The breakfast was basic but delicious, and we did not need a car for our 4-night stay. We are very impressed by our experience and would love to stay at this Holiday Inn Express again.